Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to use the chat feature in Blackboard Collaborate. This is again another one of the fun tools that we can use in Blackboard to communicate with our classmates, other students, our professor, you name it. The chat box is located down here in the left-hand corner of the screen. It's called Chat. The first thing to notice here is it says supervised. This means that the moderator holding the meeting has turned a setting on that means that they can see all messages that go back and forth in the classroom. So don't think that you can send a message to a classmate or something that the professor or others can't see. So that means that they're supervising, they're seeing the things that go on in the chat box. Let's start by simply typing a message. It's fairly straightforward. We simply click in the little white box down here. We type in our message. Hello, my name is Samantha. And hit enter. And there, my message has appeared for everybody to see. If we want to dress up our message a bit, we can click on the little smiley face drop-down button here. And we have all kinds of different little clip art emoticons that we can put in with our message. We can wink, we can be angry, confused, sad, and all kinds of little pictures, raining, sunny, rainbows, you name it. So I'm just going to put a simple little smiley face in there and hit enter. Then you'll see here in my chat box, my little smiley face and my text has appeared for everybody to see. That's about as complicated as the chat box gets. If you want to change the appearance, make this a little bit easier or more conducive to where you want to see it, we can grab this chat box and move it where we want to. We can change the size. So let's say we're having a hard time reading it because the text is too small. Click on our little options box here and we can increase the font size to make it better. I'm sorry, make it bigger. Bigger is always better. So now things are getting a little bit crammed in there. I can also grab the corner of my box here, see when I get my arrows, and I can make that bigger. So if I have a conversation going and I want to be able to read long paragraphs of information, I can move my chat box out here and make it bigger so that I can read everything in there. Now, let's say I don't want to have my chat box here main screen anymore. I can open my options manual here and say attach panel. Now what that did was take it from out here in the middle of the screen and attach it back where it came from. So you'll see now it's down here again in the corner where I left it. And again, now that it's back down there, I'm just going to go in here and decrease the font size. So things make sense here in my little corner again. You certainly don't have to, but you could increase and decrease your font size anytime you want to. And that's about all the extent of our excitement here in the chat box. Lots of different options and a good way to communicate with your classmates and your instructor.